Hello everyone! So, I'm still sick, but with a cold this time, which means I pretty much just went straight from having strep to having a cold.
Oh, come on!
So this video is going to be a little short / not as enthusiastic as usual, and I'm also going to take it lying down. But let's get started with some responses. Hannah. No, but really, who is that cow guy? Can we talk about how amazing Adrienne is for carrying around a baby while she's hiking? I can barely carry myself while I'm hiking. Matt, I pretty much decided whilst watching your video that I always want to live near you so that you can fix everything that's broken in my house. Only that reason. Not like I like you or anything. David, I was laughing so hard after your walk-in closet joke that I had to pause the video. So hilarious. And then when I rewatched it, I had to pause it again. The first thing I pictured was you printing all these pictures off of campus. I really hope some people saw you. Don't worry, I've been talking to myself for years, and look how sane I turned out. Now, for This Week with Katie. It was Parents' Weekend this weekend, so there were a bunch of events on campus and stuff, like this Rick Springfield concert. I cannot get over how excited the people in the crowd are. They really need to contain themselves. And then, football game! But the most exciting part was the marching band. Challenge completion, apartment tour style. Okay, so here's the apartment. Here's the living room. Some chairs. TV that neither of us have used yet. This mirror that we were going to hang up and have not done yet. There's a table. Here's our pantry. Smart. Our teeny tiny kitchen. Look how small it is. As you can see, it's in the late stages of me refusing to clean it. I really like Melinda, but she doesn't really understand chores because she lived in the residence halls for 4 years. Then you come down this hallway. Ooh, look, more art. You can notice that most of the art is mine. I don't know why that is. Yes, I do. It's because I brought art and Melinda didn't. Duh. Here's Melinda's room. This nice closet that we decided you could fit a body in if you chopped it up. Oh, back here, this is Melinda's bathroom. This is my room! Yay! It's really big, which is nice because I have a little tiny bed, so it makes it look bigger. Lots of art, friend art, paint by numbers, really bright window. That's where I do my vlogging. It's pretty nice. Here's my walk-in closet, Matt, as you know. Now you know what a walk-in closet looks like. Here's my bathroom. It's pretty nice. Good stuff. I know you couldn't tell, but I was dancing behind the camera that whole time. In fact, it's just a testament to my filmography skills that the video was so stable. How come no one comments? Except Lacey. Or responds to comments. Come on, people! Here is... Excuse me.
That's all.